All right, so let's go over the new advanced filing feature of the ndMail browse in NetDocs. So first of all, got to have 1.12 installed. That's a Windows program. I'm going to click on this email. I'm going to ignore all of this. I will hit browse. And the cool thing here is notice author is automatically filled out. And then I'm going to either use go to workspace or just choose the actual workspace, hit select, and then hit file. And that will file the email. This this just recently got released. I kind of feel there are some quirks about it. First off, if I have this email here and I check the workspace, my expectation is when I hit browse, that would be filled out. It is not, obviously. The other thing is you cannot fill out the workspace here. You need to either use go to workspace or recent or favorite workspace to profile it. If you try to do this, and then we come over, we don't have the ability to hit select at all. So again, what you're going to have to do is click on the person, the blue person, choose the workspace, and then your author field or anything else will automatically be filled out. And then you can also come over here and choose other attributes, hit select, and then hit file. I'm assuming this is phase 1, and in phase 2 and 3, they'll add some of those other features that we'll want to see.